The Honda Pilot is a 3-row SUV with a roomy seating arrangement, adequate practicality, and off-roading abilities. And the 2023 Acura MDX is a luxury midsize SUV that provides excellent comfort. Its 3 rows of seating can be used, and it stands out in its class. Let's assume that you want to buy one of these 2 models. And after 5 years of use, you want to sell this SUV for the maximum benefit. Which model has a better resale value? Let's find out. It's the Lazy Rusher YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Let's do some research. Select car make. Model. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the base Honda Pilot is $41,305. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. Overall, Pilots have been a great vehicle. However, their owners push them hard. This models travel everywhere, the beach, the forest, and other locations. Although they will last forever, Pilots frequently experience significant wear and tear. Grab one if you can find a clean one for a fair price. After the calculations, we have this. A Honda Pilot will depreciate 27% after 5 years and have a 5-year resale value of $30,182. As you can see, in 5 years you will get a total depreciation of $11,123, and the car resale value will be $30,181. It's 77% of the residual value. Let's do the same math for the 2023 Acura MDX. Car make, Acura. The current vehicle age is set to new. The MSRP for base Acura MDX is $49,050. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. According to CarEdge.com, the Acura MDX comes in 49th place out of 71 luxury models reviewed, placing it in the middle of the pack in terms of overall depreciation. If you're considering purchasing a new car that resembles the MDX, you might want to take a look at one of the models from Lexus or Mercedes to avoid experiencing a significant initial depreciation. So what about the numbers? An Acura MDX will depreciate 33% after 5 years and have a 5-year resale value of $32,873. It's not a very good sign. After 5 years of ownership, this SUV will lose 33% of its current MSRP. It's about $16,100. What are the conclusions? If you like both these models and look for a smart buy, you'd better buy Honda Pilot. It will keep your money better than the MDX. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can suggest your models for comparison in the comments below.